What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2thousands.com, and I have to show you this Influence app, an app where you're going to get paid to record video responses for a minimum of 15 seconds. I'm going to show you how you can get more questions on here and basically how you can earn like $1 per minute using this app. It is very easy. I'm going to show you proof in this video. So you'll see here it says unlock more video questions. You want to click on that, and then you're going to answer questions. These are not questions you're going to be paid for, but they're going to find questions or like little short surveys for you to do in video response. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to have me answer, some quick questions or whatever. You just answer them truthfully, because honestly, what they're looking for is maybe, you answer these questions appropriately and they give you a survey, right? So sometimes you'll click on it, you won't get one. You just keep doing it, keep going through different surveys and things like that. Like I said, these are short. And every time it says at the end, like you completed this survey, I always go back to the home page and check. But again, just answer the questions truthfully. And then hopefully they gift you something. So let me finish this up real quick. I'm clicking on all of these that are appropriate. Click on next. Yeah, I haven't purchased any of these. So now complete the survey. So I go back to the home page and then I kind of refresh it to see if they got me anything. And you'll see there I got 4 questions, each worth $1. So that's $4 I'm going to make just in answering these questions. That is how this app works. It is that simple. It is that easy. I will show you proof at the end of how to cash out and all that stuff. But when it comes to this, all you would do is click on it. It will take you directly to the first question. You look at what the question is asking you, and just make sure you record your response in video response for at least 15 seconds. I'll do that, but I'll kind of fast forward me doing the video, whatever. But like I said, minimum 15 seconds. Make sure you're answering the question appropriately. Once it's done, it'll take you back to kind of upload it right here. And you'll see there the rating, 96. You want to have that as high as possible, because that means you have a high chance of getting your response recorded and accepted. And then after that, you just upload it. But you just want to make sure you can be clearly seen and clearly heard when you're recording your response. So I'll go right into the next one. So begin question 2 of 4. Same thing, just reading the question and just answering it fully for a minimum of 15 seconds. It is that simple, just that easy. Once it's done, you just upload it and it takes you right into the next question. All right, so I'm going to see what the rating is. I always like to check the rating, because if it's a low rating, sometimes I go back and answer it again, because I want it to at the very least be in the 90s. That way I have no doubt about it being accepted and they're paying me for my time. All right, so again, this is the second question. I'm done with that. It'll take me directly into the third question. So I'll click on getting next question, begin question 3 or 4. See what the question is asking me and record my video response. Now, the thing is, like, there are some times you will do responses and you don't get credited for this because maybe you weren't clearly seen, you weren't clearly heard, or you didn't answer the question appropriately. That is why it's important to look at the rating of the video. And like I said, get at least 90%. You can sometimes, pass with 80 or whatever, but, I just say 90 because I've never, ever been disqualified when I have a 90 rating. So again, you just upload it. And I think I have one more question after this. I'm not sure. I think I just answered 3 of them. But again, these are $1 per question. So that's $4. And this is less than a minute that I'm actually doing these questions, honestly. But, it is very simple with this app. You can, really make some good money with this app if you're really active on it. So again, this is my last response, just recording it. And then after that, make sure, upload it. But I always want to check and see what my rating is before I do that. 95, so that's good. So I'm going to upload it. And then now I just basically wait for them to pay me. It is that simple, all right? So just once this is done uploading, it takes you back to the home page. First, you'll see all 4 of your responses are recorded successfully. And now you go back to the home page. And, I can unlock more video questions, but, for right now, they might not have some. They might have some for me. I'll kind of go through some more survey questions, but, that's how you get questions on this app, all right? So now I want to show you the cash out process. Before I do that, I want to invite you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm constantly showing you guys how to make money online completely free using different websites and different apps. It is very simple to do. So like I said, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell notification. That way you never miss opportunities to make any money. All right. So now going into the next page where you right here, this is the cash out process. You see here, you need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out. Currently, I have $6, but with those 4 questions, it takes, I would say, less, maybe about an hour or so for them, or an hour at the most, for them to actually credit you. So just kind of wait for that to happen, and then you kind of go back, and then I'll get my $4. Then I'll have 10, and I can cash out via PayPal. And the payments are usually paid within the next few hours or so, so you're not waiting forever on your payment. So it is just that simple, guys. It's a really, really good app. I've made plenty of videos on it. I've made a lot of money with it. I've done a lot of cash outs, all that kind of good stuff. You can download it on your iPhone, your tablet, your Android phone, whatever the case may be. Completely free to use. I will leave the link to sign up in the description. So get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.